This is for the people that like to polish. Lots of chrome. Oh, you're still recording, funny guy. You're still recording. I saw the red light. I know you're videoing. I saw it already. Ready to rock? I do. What's up, Wesley? What's up, guys? It's Wiqed over here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson, bringing you the new bike of the week. We have one of the 26 Dark Billiard Gray Street Glide. It's powered by the 117 Milwaukee-Eight liquid-cooled system. Lots of chrome on here, but I want to talk about the front of the bike with the new fairing. It's got the lights in the front, LED lights in the front. You've got the nice gray chrome. Come back here to the back. The nice bags back here, a little bit fatter than what we're used to on the older models. One-touch lids. Up on the 12.3 Skyline Infotainment Center, you know already that we have modes in here. We're going to have the rain mode, the road mode, the sport mode, and one customizable mode that you can trick out a little bit to your liking. You do have traction control, cruise control at your fingertips, Bluetooth capable. So check it out. The Street Glide also has this nice fancy tray. You can easily get one phone, possibly two phones in there. You've got your C charge here. If you are Apple, it does have Wi-Fi and wireless Apple CarPlay. Do need to have a headset, but we can show you how to work it all. If you want to come in, check it out, come see Wiqed at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Boom.